Hello, good morning, my dear little Gems. How are you all? I hope all of you are fit and fine by the grace of Almighty, and your miss is also fine. So, boys, today I'm back to you with your English first paper, and I'm going to teach you Unit 10, Lesson 1 to Lesson 5. I hope, boys, you are going to enjoy this lecture because this lecture is about Mamun's home district. You know who is Mamun because all of you have learned this topic before, and as we are making revisions, I think this lesson is going to be very enjoyable for you as you know about this lesson. Okay, so boys, get ready for your class, take out your necessary accessories, and before starting the class, boys, I would like to request you, if you find any difficulties in understanding the word meaning of any word, I think you should go for dictionary because using dictionary is very essential for you. Okay, and in this way you will be able to know how to use the dictionary. Okay, and another thing, that is, don't learn only for your exam, try to learn for your own learning, try to enrich your knowledge. Okay, if you learn well, your exam will be automatically fine. Okay, so boys, no more talk about it, let's go for our text and take out your necessary accessories and try to write those things I am trying to say you to write. Okay, so boys, get ready for the class. So now I am going to read about Mamun's home district, and it is about Kishoreganj. Okay, my home district is Kishoreganj. It is about 145 kilometers from Dhaka. It is a district headquarters. The district has 8 municipalities, 13 upazilas, 108 unions, and 1745 villages. The name Kishoreganj comes from the name of an old landlord known as Brojakishore Pramanik or Nandakishore Pramanik. The area of Kishoreganj municipality is about 10 square kilometers. The river Narasunda flows through the town. Kishoreganj is a small town, but there are many important places in and around it. The largest Eid fairgrounds, called Sholakia Eid Ground, and the well-known government Guru Dayal College are in the town. People from many districts come to visit this place to celebrate Eid. The Pagla Mosque is also in my home district. Outside the town, you can visit the fort of Isha Khan at Jangalbari. You can also see Shah Muhammad Mosque at Egaro Sindur. Near the Fuleshwari River, you can see the Shiva temple of Chandravati. Now there are more information about Mamun's home district, and there are some works for you, boys. I hope you are going to enjoy the video, and I am going to instruct you what should you do after that. Okay?
His home district. Kishoreganj is also the home district of some famous people. Chandravati, the first woman poet of Bengali literature, was born here. 2 writers of children's literature, Upendra Kishore Roy Choudhury and Sukumar Roy, are also from here. The great painter Zainul Abidin comes from Kishoreganj too. Sayyid Nazrul Islam, the first acting president of Bangladesh, is also from here. I love my home district.
Drag the correct text with the picture. Paragraph. Ask and answer the questions. What's the name of Mamun's home district? The name of Mamun's home district is Kishoreganj.
So boys, I have given the answer of first question, that is, what's the name of Mamun's home district, and you have to write the answer of rest of the questions. Okay, number 2 is, how far is it from Dhaka? Number 3, how did it get its name? Number 4, what is the name of the river in the town? Number 5, what are the 2 things you can see in the town? Number 6, who are the 2 famous people from this town? So boys, this is your HW number 1. I am going to give you another HW. Okay, and I would like to say that please read very carefully this topic and this text, because this is the very informative text, and you can know more and more about Kishoreganj, and this is a very important district in Bangladesh. Okay, so boys, now get ready for your next homework. I am going to give it to you. Okay, So boys, this HW is about making WH questions. You know how to do these WH questions, how to make it actually. So boys, when you are doing this HW, I would like to request you, please follow the instructions that we already gave you in our previous classes, and also try to write the sentences, copy the sentences, and then make the questions. Okay, so in number 1 I have written it is about 145 kilometers from Dhaka. So you have to make question with this underline words. Okay, then the district has 8 municipalities, so the underline is under 8 municipalities. Number 3, the area of Kishoreganj municipality is about 10 square kilometers. Number 4, Phagla Mosque is also in my home district. Number 5, Chandravati was the first woman poet of Bangla literature. Number 6, Joinul Abedin comes from Kishoreganj. So boys, these are your HW based on WH questions. When you are doing these WH questions, be careful about the tense and also the subject and also the rules of WH questions. Okay, so boys, this is all for today. Thank you for watching my class, and I would like to request you again, please try to find out the word meanings if you face any difficulties in understanding the meanings. Okay, because using dictionary is very useful for you, and it will be very helpful for you, because when you will be in the upper classes you will have a dictionary and you will need it must. So please try to use the dictionary and try to learn how to use it. Okay, so boys, thank you for watching my class. I would like to request you, please try to do all of the HW and try to make your handwriting very nice and clear. Okay, so boys, thank you for everything. Thank you for cooperating me, and thank you for watching my class. So there are 2 HW for you. First one is writing question answer from page number 39, that is based on the text. Okay, and another HW, that is making WH questions. Okay, so boys, this is all for today. Thank you very much again. See you in my next class. Okay.